All right, guys, we have the list here, ready to pick the winner. Here we go. Who's going to take home the Honda Civic? Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate every single one of you. Whoa, I don't want to do it. Ready?
Hit it.
Here we go. 22,927.
Congratulations, 22,000.
Oh, that's not his name. 22,8. 22 what? 22,927. 22,927. Shaquan Knight. Shaquan Knight, thank you so much for getting entered. You are the winner of the Honda Civic. We're going to give him a call right now. Hello?
Hey.
Hey, is this Shaquan?
Yes, this is Shaquan speaking.
What's up, Shaquan? How you doing?
What's going on, man? Actually, who I'm talking to?
Yeah, this is Seth.
What's going on, Seth? My apologies from...
You might know me from YouTube.
What?
You subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah, bro.
This is Seth with Smpl Builds.
Oh, my God. No.
Yes.
No,
Shaquan,
no.
Do you know why I'm calling you?
Oh, my God.
It's because your car's extended warranty is up and you have to renew. Just kidding. You won. You are the winner of our giveaway car.
Congrats,
Oh,
Shaquan.
my God. No. Are you serious, man?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Woo.
Congratulations, bro.
I'm like, hold on, wait, Seth. I'm like, nah. Bro, you don't know how I'm feeling right now. I can't even breathe right now. It means a lot. Right now, I'm in school also to be a mechanic. You know, just like trying to further my education with like mechanics, so
Nice.
I can, provide for my family. I just been going hard, and I'm like, man, this is a family heirloom now. I don't know. It's overwhelming. I still can't breathe. I have to go outside for a little bit, walk the dog.
Good. Well, let us sink in, and we'll be in touch soon. All right, bro?
All right. Thank you so much.
Cool, man. All right, you too. Talk soon. Bye. He was out of breath when he hung up, too. Wow. Congratulations, Shaquan. I'm excited to meet you, and we're going to meet Shaquan here real soon. All right, guys. Shaquan is here. He just showed up to the shop, so we're going to go and say what's up. We're going to meet him, give him a quick little shop tour, and then we're going to show him what he won. So cannot wait. Really excited. Let's take a little peek, see if he's out here. No, he's not. We got to go find him. Shaquan, my friend, where are you? It is a beautiful day for this, guys. He drove about an hour and a half to get over here. Really excited to be able to do this kind of stuff. And make sure you guys are in the motor club because he's going to tell you how he got entered. And I think you're going to find it really interesting. Here he is. What is up? You got the trucks out today, huh? How you doing? I'm Seth.
Nice to meet you, Seth.
Nice to meet you as well.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I got my dad here, and I got one of my best friends here.
Awesome. This is cool. He's here, about ready to show him his car, and he's got his dad and his friend here. We're going to see if they want to come in for a little quick shop tour. Really exciting. It's a beautiful day out here today, and man, it's exciting to do this kind of stuff. And guys, it could be you, could be any of you, and I love to be able to help out, and do a little something to give back to my subscribers, to random people. That's what it's all about.
Got the family here.
Got the whole crew. Let's go.
Yeah, whole
What's
crew.
up, guys? How you doing?
Shop tour.
How you doing?
It's Pop
Good.
right
I'm
here.
Seth.
It's my buddy right here, Sherman.
What's up, bro? I'm Seth.
What's going on, man?
Nice to meet you. Seth. Nice to meet you. It's a big day.
Yeah,
Really excited.
yeah.
Shaquan, we can do this kind of stuff because people like you support what we got going on.
Yeah,
so that's where it, like I was just saying to the camera, that's where it all comes together.
I'm nervous, man. I really appreciate you guys. It's a true blessing, man. I appreciate you guys for being a blessing to me.
Yeah.
Honestly, came in a perfect time. Like
Good.
with my car shutting off, even going to work and
Dang.
trying to juggle school and everything. It's just
Yeah.
like,
Well, I'm glad to be able to do it. It's exciting.
Thanks,
so welcome in. This is the little.
Right.
This
Oh,
is where
nice.
the movie magic happens. We got a little front foyer section
nice.
here. We built this all up. We just got in here about
oh, yes.
a little over a
Look
year
at that.
ago.
This is nice, man.
And this in here is the new studio. We'll do like some other, behind the scenes stuff.
Is that from your car from like
Yeah.
3 years ago?
Yeah.
Yo, oh
From the
my
Fiesta.
God, bro,
Yep.
that's crazy.
And then we just got a sign to replace that.
Yeah.
So a company sent this out to us, which is pretty cool, a little LED,
Nice.
light up sign.
That's
and this is where
awesome.
Ethan does all the editing here.
Nice. This is where the magic happens right
Yes,
here,
sir.
too.
Yeah, exactly. Behind this is where your car is.
Oh. Still can't believe it. We just like, yo, they said we're on the edges of our seats. Like,
That's awesome. So we're at the back of the garage door now, guys. We're about ready to open this up and give them the reveal. Congratulations on winning giveaway number 4.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Oh God, look at this. Keep losing my breath. Woo! Man, she's
good.
clean. This car right here is unique, you know?
Yeah.
It's a new addition to the family. I still can't believe it. Like, I'm out of I'm really out of Thank you. Thank you guys so much, man.
Thank you for your support.
You guys don't give up. You can win too. It's real. It's real. Never give up. You can win too, and it's a huge blessing. These guys are blessings. Man, I might spend the rest of the night sitting next to this thing. Right?
Go ahead and tell the people what you entered with.
Whew. So when I saw the promotion for the Smpl Motors Club, I entered and I paid about $10 for that. You know, I just checked out the feed, all the guys that's there. You know, I stayed consistent. I watched the countdown and
his name popped up.
Yeah, I won.
Yep. So guys, jump into the Motor Club if you want to have a chance at winning one of our cars. We also got a pretty cool community of people over there. I hope you've been able to have some value, in exchange, maybe even meet some friends.
A lot of cool members, a lot of cool people, a lot of support. I want to thank you guys too. Looking forward to meeting some of you guys, especially if you're in the Jersey area, South Jersey, please hit me up. Hopefully I get to keep in contact with Seth and the Smpl crew.
Yeah,
you know?
Of course.
And guys, trust me, it's possible. It is possible. Never give up. Keep putting in them entries. Keep supporting. And the blessings will come to you. I promise you.
Yes, sir.
I promise you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
Here is the key to your new Honda Civic.
Oh,
I hope you enjoy it. I hope it lasts you a long time and builds many exciting memories.
Especially this summertime. Guys, look out and try to drop a few videos. And also, I'll tell you when I name the car. I'll tell you first, Seth.
Yes, sir.
I'll tell Ethan, but.
Yeah, man. So you also entered, I'm pretty sure you entered into the K-Swap Civic as well.
And I wanted to join. I wasn't able to because I got bills, you know? But man, hopped on the website, seen the promotion. I'm like, oh, I said, yeah, just do it. Whipped out my wallet so fast, man. I said, you know what? Yes, take my money. Yes, yes.
I really wanted to lower that membership, price for you guys. And as you can see, it's been helping, it's been beneficial. And that's something that, we really value. And we're really trying to build and grow that community and that membership over there. I don't want to push it too heavily, but I just want you guys to know that when you do spend the $10, it goes towards a good cause. Someone like Shaquan, winning a car like this, it could be you. Thanks again, bro. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you so much, man.
Of course.
Oh, that was a clean one. That was a clean one.
It's a wrap.
Yeah, look at that beauty.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you guys so much, man.
Giveaway number 4 off to the new owner, guys. That is 4 giveaways under our belt. Being able to help people out and meet some cool people like them, Shaquan and his brother and father. And man, I can't put into words how exciting this kind of stuff is, and you guys make it happen. So thank you so much. I really say this from the bottom of my heart. I love doing this kind of stuff, and I hope to continue to do it for a very long time. So thank you guys for your support. Be sure to hit that like button. I know this is a second channel video, more something for you guys to check out, the behind the scenes, stuff that we don't always show, but we definitely want to show more of this kind of stuff behind the scenes, and what happens when the winter comes, and a lot of exciting things. So I just want to say thank you guys again for supporting, showing your appreciation, for jumping into the Motor Club, and that gets you a chance to win a car. So we're gonna keep building, you guys keep watching, and if you do, we'll keep creating. So thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you guys in the next one.